You're getting tired of your layabout life. Is that Mother Nature calling you? You're sick and tired of waking up with the feeling that there's something more out there to do. There's another way to be. We can all be free. Come along with me, we're running wild. Past the fences and cages. Wild. Past the end of the tracks. We ain't coming back, we're running wild.
Ooh-wee, that was good. You know they say breakfast is the most important meal of the day?
No, they don't.
I know. What?
I'm team lunch.
I mean, lunch is good, too. Can't argue with lunch.
Or can I?
What?
Hey, Boog, we had a question about bunk arrangements.
If cats and dogs show up to camp, can they bunk in the same cabin?
What? We can't bunk dogs and cats together. You might as well be mixing vinegar and baking soda, or nuts and gum, socks and sandals.
Okay.
Oh, and should I be learning some sort of first aid or just get better at digging holes?
Okay, all great questions. Why don't we make a plan for you guys to visit me during office hours? Man, some animals, am I right?
So, why you been so difficult lately?
Difficult?
Yeah, it's like you just always want to argue.
I do not, and I'll argue with anyone who says I do. Or will I?
What does that even mean? Whoa!
Hey, guys! I heard you have a list of camp chores. If there's one thing I'm good at, it's chores. Oh, and somersaults, and golf, and spelling, and puzzles, and cooking, and kart racing. But especially chores.
Whoa, sure. I guess I did draw something up.
And why was I not consulted on this? Give me that. Weed lawn, gather firewood, clear brush, paint cabins.
Look, Kiki, it's awesome that you want to help out, but all wild animals would agree. You gotta unwind before you grind.
No, Boogie Boy. The real saying is chorin' before snoring. You finish the work first so you can really enjoy your downtime after.
Fine. You want to show Kiki the ropes? Have at it.
Change light bulbs? Oh, build sandbag wall? Fetch water from well? Oh, chores are the worst.
I love working. Yum, yum, yum. Chores are nature's candy.
Or are they?
Ah, sweet hammock. This is obviously the right move. What in the...
Hi, Boog.
Oh, man. Were you living under there?
Yeah, sorry. It's just your extra wide hammock made such a good roof.
Yeah, I get that.
'Cause with your ample frame...
Okay, I get it. Well, look, I feel terrible about your house. Let me help you rebuild.
Here's the blueprints. You can start by gathering 4,000 dandelions, all precisely 6 centimeters in length.
Okay, I guess I'm waiting. 1, 2, and done. Well, I think that should work, pal. And now I better go find a new place to hang this baby.
I just got my forest real estate license. Let me help.
Oh, that's okay. I really just need to get a good chill in before.
Oh, it's no trouble. Now come on and let old Buddy guide you home.
Now, Kiki, while I love your energy, when it comes to chores, we have a certain way of doing things here.
Really?
Yes, really. And I think it would be easier for you to grasp if you started with some warm-ups. Like, say, fetching water from the well.
Okay.
Now, you'll notice my technique here. One hand over the other, firm grip. Okay, now you try.
You know, I better see that demo again. I definitely want to make sure I understand the Camp Wild way.
Of course. We want you doing all your chores properly.
Can you believe this place is even available? Wide open views, amazing sunsets. Cyclone Plains is everywhere you want to be.
Where am I gonna hang my hammock? There ain't no trees.
We just have to build a frame. So you go find some branches, and I'll start the paperwork.
What paperwork?
Crossword. Duh. 7-letter word for put out.
Annoyed.
You see? It's hand over hand.
Oh, hand over hand. Thanks for those super important lessons there, but I better get back to it.
Wait! We still have 2 more super important lessons to learn.
Okay, now it's on.
I don't think I've ever been so tired. Who knew chili could be so exhausting? Whoa. Phew. That was close. Whoa.
The search continues.
Okay, Grasshopper. Water can be tricky, but I know you will excel at bringing light where once there was darkness.
Okay, no animal alive could get up that pole.
Oh, wait. Seriously? It's not that hard. I mean, I could climb it.
No offense, Elliot, but...
Yeah? Just watch. Here I go! Go! Come back! I said go! Come back! Go! Come back!
You might as well take these up, too.
Oh, right. Thanks. Go!
Hey, okay. Now this is a chill zone.
Little odd that nothing grows here. In real estate, we call that a red flag.
Well, I'm waving the white flag on doing any more work before I chill. Weird. Why did I hang my hammock so high?
Boog, I think the real problem is that you're too low.
Ah! Quicksand!
I'll save you, Boog!
Perfect. Thanks. There is no pain worse than what I'm feeling right now. I stand corrected.
Boog? Boog!
Buddy!
Boog? What are you doing up there?
I thought the tallest tree in the forest would be a perfect place to chill, but now I'm stuck.
I thought bears were good climbers.
Yeah, climbing up, not down.
Hold on, Boog! I'll get help! But in terms of the property, are we thinking...
Buddy!
Right. Sorry. We'll discuss later.
Yeah! All 300 sandbags moved all by myself.
Yep, you really showed me.
Elliot? Elliot! Boog's stuck at the top of a giant redwood, and he's slipping!
What? No! Oh, Boog! Oh, Boog!
You realize what this means? You gotta rescue him.
Me? Rescue Boog? come on. I don't have any of the skills or training I need for something like that.
Or do you?
I'm a coming, Boog!
Really think Elliot can save Boog?
Doubt it.
You know, pal, I really do appreciate that rescue attempt. Out of curiosity, what made you think you had the skills to pull it off?
Well, funny story. What the?
Looks like the rescue went, as expected.
Guess you're doing a little unwind before you grind after all.
She's clearly snoring after choring.
You know what? You're both right.
All mine and Elliot's chores are done?
The student becomes the master.
It's my pleasure, guys.
So, now that you know the Camp Wild Way, I guess you can get started on your chores?
Oh, but that's the best part, Elliot. You already finished them.
I may have rattled the old coconut, but I think I'd remember if I did your chores. Or would I?